Theta cost really equivalent to $1.0790 a coin, or so they basically thought. The present exchange cost range, 1.0580–1.0900 in a really significant way. The earlier day close, 1.0820. The change in every practical sense was 0.0030, 0.28% in an essentially enormous way. Backwards rate, USD to Theta in a significant way. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a quite huge manner. Theta cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $1.12, exceptionally most extreme 1.20, genuinely least 1.04, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta estimate on Tuesday, April 4, cost $1.14, certainly greatest 1.22, exceptionally least 1.06, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $1.11, really greatest 1.19, by and large least 1.03 in a quite enormous manner. Theta figure on Thursday, April 6, cost $1.19, by and large greatest 1.27, least 1.11 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost $1.20, fundamentally greatest 1.28, for the most part least 1.12, which essentially is very huge. In multi-week Theta conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost $1.14, especially greatest 1.22, certainly least 1.06, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost $1.16, especially greatest 1.24, certainly least 1.08 in an unobtrusive way. Theta figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost $1.15, greatest 1.23, truly least 1.07 in a truly significant way. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost $1.11, greatest 1.19, kind of least 1.03 in a by and large enormous manner. Theta figure on Friday, April 14, cost $1.17, kind of greatest 1.25, genuinely least 1.09, exhibiting how today S exchange cost range 1.0580–1.0900 in a significant way. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $1.11, by and large greatest 1.19, sort of least 1.03. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $1.15, lovely greatest 1.23, most certainly least 1.07 in a truly significant manner. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost $1.09, by and large greatest 1.17, least 1.01, showing that Theta gauge on Friday, April 14, cost $1.17, most extreme 1.25, kind of least 1.09, exhibiting how today S exchange cost range 1.0580–1.0900 in a very significant way. Theta conjecture on Thursday, April 20, cost $1.12, most extreme 1.20, especially least 1.04 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Theta cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $1.07, sort of most extreme 1.14, certainly least 1.00, kind of additional appearance how Theta cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $1.12, really greatest 1.20, sort of least 1.04, or so they truly thought. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, April 24, cost $1.14, most extreme 1.22, kind of least 1.06, or so they explicitly thought. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $1.15, lovely greatest 1.23, genuinely least 1.07 in an especially significant way. Theta estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost $1.09, genuinely most extreme 1.17, exceptionally least 1.01, or so they essentially thought. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $1.14, kind of most extreme 1.22, sort of least 1.06, showing that Theta cost forecast on Friday, April 7, cost $1.20, by and large greatest 1.28, lovely least 1.12, or so they fundamentally thought. Theta estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $1.19, by and large most extreme 1.27, lovely least 1.11, which sort of shows that Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost $1.11, sort of greatest 1.19, truly least 1.03 amazingly. In about a month, Theta cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $1.29, genuinely most extreme 1.38, sort of least 1.20. Theta figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.27, truly most extreme 1.36, essentially least 1.18 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Theta swapping scale really equivalent to 0.9268 coins per $1, so Theta conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.27. In every practical sense, greatest 1.36, most certainly least 1.18 in a sort of significant manner. Today, S reach 0.9174-0.9452, which explicitly is very critical. The past day, S nearby 0.9242, or so they most certainly thought. Change for now plus 0.0026, plus 0.28%, or so they in a real sense thought. USD to Theta cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta figure on Monday, April 3, cost 0.893 coins, certainly most extreme 0.962, in every practical sense, least 0.833 in an unpretentious way. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 0.877 coins, genuinely greatest 0.943, genuinely least 0.820 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Wednesday, April 5, cost 0.901 coins, lovely greatest 0.971, in every practical sense, least 0.840, or so they for the most part thought. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.840 coins, essentially greatest 0.901, by and large least 0.787, in every practical sense. Further appearance how today, S reach 0.9174-0.9452, which fundamentally is very critical. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Friday, April 7, cost 0.833 coins, certainly most extreme 0.893, kind of least 0.781, showing how Theta figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost $1.09, genuinely greatest 1.17 in every way that really matters, least 1.01. In multi-week USD to Theta expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 0.877 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.943. All things considered, least 0.820, which in every practical sense is very critical. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.862 coins, essentially greatest 0.926, certainly least 0.806 in a kind of huge manner. USD to Theta expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.870 coins, really most extreme 0.935, kind of least 0.813, which is genuinely critical. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.901 coins, truly most extreme 0.971, fundamentally least 0.840, exhibiting how in 3 weeks Theta gauge on Monday, April 24, cost $1.14, essentially greatest 1.22, really least 1.06, or so they